Hey guys, I'm speaking from Fusion X. This is going to be one of our first vlogs because we are going to compete in the regionals tournament. Let me introduce you to our team. I am the graphic manager. He is the sponsorship manager. She back there is the team manager and he is the design engineer. So currently also have a resource manager, but he is coming separately. We will let you know once we meet him. So that's our team and we will keep you updated. We will also keep you updated about the regionals, everything that's going on, and we will also tell you if we win, because this entire vlog is going to be about the entire day of our regionals, how was our experience and how everything is going to be. And if you want to prepare, this can also be something to prepare. We will also explain how they judged us. Okay, so yeah, and I'll see you later. So right now we all met up at the venue. This is our resource manager. He is sitting behind me. And currently we are preparing so that we can continue with our pit display and everything. And also you can take this to see how it is. Currently our venue is not that good, but it's the stage over there and it's a school. A really huge racetrack and we have booths in which we will put our pit display. After we put our pit display, then you will see me again. So now we are going to set our pit display booth. Starts from there and ends there. And now like that, we're going to set up the pit display. After it's set up, I will show you all the result. But yeah, that's like a booth to get. Okay, so currently pit display work is, that is how the pit display is coming together. So yeah, the pit display work is going on. Pit display work is on a timer. Currently we have 14 minutes left, but we are almost done, so that's a good thing. So we are done doing the pit display, and now we have the design and engineering with the verbal presentation. We have to go to a different area while they are going to judge our pit display where we have made it. And currently our team has called, so I will, after everything is done, I'll tell you how it went. So yeah, so we just completed our verbal presentation with our portfolios, and I won't lie, it didn't go that good. Okay, so actually our verbal presentation, I mean, we're kids, of course we messed it up a bit. And in our portfolios we don't really know what happened because the teacher checks it personally. We can't see what expression वगैरह. So yeah, currently we are back here. Now we will have a reaction time, and if we win anything in that, I will let you all know. So currently now we have a reaction racing. They will pull a buzzer or some lights and they will check how fast our reaction time is. We have to choose one person from our team. We have already chosen. The sponsorship manager is going because his reaction time is pretty fast. So if we win anything in that, I'ma let you all know. Okay, so now we will be going for the scrutineering as well as the race starting, in which you have to press for the reaction time. And currently we're having chai break. We're testing our race time. I will show you all how the race time is going. Currently we're on chai break. After we are done having tea, our racer, who is also our sponsorship manager, he is going to be opening the simulator and trying to get a good time. We are going for sub 200, let's see. Currently he has been doing it, but when we are done with the break, I'll also show you all how he's doing it. I have been told that the scrutineering will be done later. We are back at the table. Now the judges will come over and ask questions about our pit display. I will give you a brief type of questions that they asked after they are done asking. Mostly I don't think they'll ask much, but yeah. So we all just finished the races. We have one of the fastest races because of this. One of the fastest races of today. Currently we have the fastest, not one of the fastest, the fastest currently, but there are more teams to come. But I am hopeful because we got 0.161. So
the best
yeah,
this time.
Even the head of Stemplify told us that it was the best reaction time in all of the teams.
Yes.
So we are going good. So we have entirely picked up the pit display now, and our knockout races were also done, and we came podium finished third place, and it's all thanks to this man. So yes, and we will see you later if we get any awards. That will also be mentioned.
Speed roller racer. Right? Now, let's move to the next left category of awards. So there are already 10 teams announced for the national finals. Now, the next category we have sponsorship and marketing award. It goes to team The Rift. Give a huge round of applause for the best sponsorship and marketing category award.
हम लोग को अवार्ड मिलेगा, ट्रॉफी मिलेगा नहीं, पर नेशनल्स में क्वालिफाई होंगे हमारी जर्नी। बट आई नीड अ ट्रॉफी, आई नीड अ मेडल। के लिए मिलेगा ना कुछ मेडल ओए सुन हम लोग को अवार्ड नहीं मिलेगा, कोई मेडल वो सर्टिफिकेट कुछ नहीं मिलेगा। अभी कोई अभी खुशी के आंसर हो क्यों
Only
वो
two
क्या
more
confirm भाई?
categories. Oh, 3 more categories are left. The first, we have Chair of Judges Award. Chair of Judges Award goes to Team Fusion X. Give a huge
I don't know.
for the Chair of Judges Award. Okay, just hold your award.